The Board of Directors of Sonoma Clean Power are proud to partner with Switch Vehicles, the CTE Foundation, and the Sonoma County Office of Education. This is a wonderful partnership between Sonoma Clean Power and our educational organizations to ensure that our young people have the tools and the resources to be our leaders when it comes to electric vehicle deployment. Switch Vehicles and these partnerships are important for us to reach our greenhouse gas emission goals and to really transform the paradigm around electric vehicles. What a wonderful opportunity to have our young people learn hands-on training with engineering, with science, technology, and car manufacturing. These tools will not only give them the opportunity to be introduced to electric vehicles, but hopefully in the future they'll become leaders in electric vehicle deployment, in manufacturing and engineering these beautiful vehicles to lead the future of sustainability.